So what do you get when you combine golf access properties with horse farm properties, and then you put it all right in the middle of the city? Well, you get a community called Hidden Acres right here in North Fort Myers. We're actually pretty close to the border between North Fort Myers and Cape Coral, but that's exactly what this community offers right now. And I've been so excited to do a listing tour of this property since our brokerage got this listing a few days ago. So without further ado, let's get right into it and tour this beautiful house in this absolutely amazing, unique community of Hidden Acres.
By the way, if you don't know me yet, my name is Dustin Guthrie, and I'm a long-time, full-time realtor with Schooner Bay Realty here in Southwest Florida. But more importantly, I'm an advocate for our area of Florida. I live right here in Cape Coral with my wife and my 3 little kids, and I use this YouTube channel to help be a resource for folks like you. I post multiple videos every single week. Some are property tours like this, but most of them are just informational videos on Cape Coral and Southwest Florida that I think you'll find really useful. So if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I think you'll get a lot out of these videos. I try to provide a lot of value to the folks that watch my videos in the hopes that when you do end up having a real estate need anywhere in Southwest Florida, maybe you're moving to the area and buying a place, you're an investor here, or maybe you have a property here now that you're looking to sell, maybe you'll remember these videos and give me a call. My contact info is down in the description of this video. You can call me, text me, email me. There's even a link down there where you can schedule a quick Zoom meeting with me. Whatever it takes, I'm just grateful for the opportunity to help you achieve your real estate goals here in Southwest Florida. Alright, so let's check out this home first, and then I'll tell you more about the unique parts of this gated community that actually has golf access and horse stables. It's incredible, so let's get right into it. So this home just hit the market a few days ago. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with just under 2,400 square feet of interior living space. It has a 3-car garage and a pool, and it sits on nearly a half an acre of land within this gated community. As we head left from the entryway, this first room here on the left is set up as a formal dining room. It's got great light from the bay window in the front there. This is a nice flex space as well, so it could easily be something like an office or an additional family room. There's the seller's cute little puppy dog. She's probably wondering what this weirdo's doing in her house. So here's the main living area of the house. You can see the kitchen is nice and open to the living room, and the big cathedral ceilings add to that openness, along with all these sliders, windows, and skylights that bring that wonderful Florida sunshine into this part of the house. And this house has incredible outdoor living spaces, and we'll get out there in just a minute. The living room has these great big built-ins on the wall, and that goes all the way into the kitchen. The kitchen itself has plenty of cabinet space and these upscale granite countertops. Just really tastefully done in here. Okay, now we're going to head into the guest wing of the house, and we'll also look at this enormous garage and workshop they have out here. So here we have the laundry room, and we can get out to the garage right there. This laundry room's massive, but we'll go back here and check out the garage in a second. As we head into these back bedrooms, you can see this nice paneling on the wall and this recessed lighting right here. And that ties in with this guest bathroom. We've got the dual vanities there, the walk-in shower, we've got the tile on the wall, and this beautiful copper-colored recessed ceiling in here. So moving back to these 2 guest rooms back here, both of these bedrooms are really big. They're good-sized bedrooms. They've got a ton of storage. That's actually a theme throughout this house. Plenty of storage in this house, but you can see the two closets in each of these guest rooms. Both of them have 2 folding door closets. So here we're back in the laundry room heading towards the garage, and again, this laundry room has a ton of room. You've got multiple sets of cabinets in here. You've got enough room to fit the full-size fridge and a desk in here as well, so it's a big laundry room. And before we get out to the garage, let me show you this really cool little annex upstairs. This has a room up here. It sort of functions as a bonus room. It overlooks the front yard, and it could be anything from extra storage to a craft room or a playroom for the kids. A lot of possibilities for this room up here. Again, you know, I hear folks from out of state come in and complain about the lack of storage space in a lot of our Southwest Florida homes because we don't have things like basements here. But that's clearly not an issue whatsoever in this house. There are plenty of storage spaces throughout this house. Okay, so now we're in this massive 3-car garage, and you can see that it's currently set up as a really impressive workshop. Check this place out. This garage is really deep, so it does have plenty of room. If you wanted to put your vehicles in here, you would still have plenty of room on top of that to have a really nice workshop or extra storage or whatever you wanted to do out here. Okay, so that's the left wing of this house, so let's go back in and see the other side of this beautiful home, including the owner's suite back here. Right here off the kitchen and the living room is the second full guest bathroom. So this services the main parts of the house, and it also has an entry-exit point to the pool area, so it also functions as a pool bath. Nice tile walk-in shower here. It's got the recessed ceiling once again, dual vanities. And this also goes right in here to this central den area. Again, another flex space right here. It could be easily an office. It's got the French doors right there. It does have slider access out to the pool deck as well. Of course, there's where we came in the front door. So now we're going to go over here to the owner's bedroom and bathroom. This is a beautiful big bedroom. It has the big cathedral ceilings like the living room, and it also has slider access out to the pool area. The chair rail in here with that lower color accent is a really nice touch in here, I think. Now take a look at this bathroom. I think this is so cool. This bathroom opens into a private little courtyard garden. It's got everything you would expect an owner's bathroom to have. It's got the walk-in closet here. Dual sinks. It's got the jacuzzi tub. But this is just so unique right here. Not only can you open this bathroom up and tend your own private little zen garden with a koi pond right here, but it also allows this bathroom to get an enormous amount of natural light. And when that's combined with the skylight in here and the huge vanity mirror on the wall, it turns this bathroom into such a bright and cheerful space. I just love how this was done here. Okay, now let's take a look at the stunning outdoor living spaces this home has, and we'll start by walking out from the kitchen here. This area is like an outdoor living room. It's screened in to keep the bugs out, and it's also under the truss of the house, which provides plenty of shaded space out here. You'll also notice a lot of the sliders that go into the house empty out into this area right here, so you can open those up and still get that nice breeze and the fresh air from outside into the house without worrying about the bugs because it is screened out here. It's a great space for entertaining. You can have a meal out here. You can watch a football game out here. On a day like today, it's absolutely perfect. As we come out to the pool deck, you can see that we're just surrounded out here by beautiful gardens. You've got this semi-shaded area with the pergola over there. And of course, we have the centerpiece of this backyard, which is this gorgeous pool. So now we're back under the pergola by the side of the pool deck, and we've got this great seating area around the fire pit that faces out towards this beautiful backyard. Again, this is nearly a half an acre of land. That's basically double the normal lot size in Cape Coral. There are just a ton of options back here on this huge lot, and the rear of the property actually sits up against a bridle path for horses that runs the entire length of this community. The amenities in this gated community are just so unique, so let's take a look at what Hidden Acres offers that I don't think any other community around here does. Hidden Acres is a true golf access community. The community actually sits along a golf access canal system. Some of the homes sit directly on the Gulf access canals, but even the ones that don't have access to this saltwater boat ramp, which is also connected to this boat trailer / RV storage lot. So it's really just as simple as parking your boat right here and launching it on the private ramp whenever you want to use it. So this feature of Hidden Acres makes it the most unique. Usually if you want to have a horse here in Southwest Florida, you've either got to board it at a horse farm or have a lot of acreage yourself with the proper zoning. Either way, that usually means you need to find a place way more inland in the rural communities. But Hidden Acres is basically right in the middle of the city. It's west of US 41 and nearly on the border between Cape Coral and North Fort Myers. There are community stables here that any property owner can use if you want to keep your horse here. You just need to care for it and hold liability insurance. In addition to the stables, there are multiple grazing pastures here, as well as the long bridle path that I mentioned where you can ride up and down the entire length of the community. Simply put, there are just no other communities in Southwest Florida that offer these types of amenities while still being in a central location like this. So in addition to the wonderful Gulf access boating and horse amenities, Hidden Acres also has 2 parks which feature playgrounds, tennis and basketball courts, and nature-filled common areas that are just fantastic. I'm not gonna lie, I took my time while I was out here filming for this video because this main park, which has a big pond with a gazebo dock, has such a beautiful and relaxing setting amongst these huge oak trees with the hanging Spanish moss. The weather was just perfect today, and the sun had just started to set and was filtering through the trees during my visit. I just really didn't want to leave. This is such a cool community, and the people here are all really friendly. Whoever buys this property is going to be really happy with their decision. This beautiful home in this unbelievable gated community is being offered at $659,000, and even though you might think all of these amazing amenities come with a big monthly association fee, you'd be wrong. Hidden Acres residents only pay $125 a month in HOA fees, and that's just as incredible as the amenities themselves.
So this is just a top-notch property and an absolutely unbelievable community here in Hidden Acres in North Fort Myers, and the beauty and serenity of this place is absolutely far in advance of what my cinematography skills are. So I strongly encourage you to get a hold of me and come see this property in person. You owe it to yourself to see this property and this community yourself before this property sells, because it really is just an absolutely beautiful place. I know my wife, when she heard I was going over to the horse community, she was really excited, so I'm probably going to have to fight her off from buying this house. But thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. I think you'll get a lot out of this. I try to provide a lot of value. I do informational videos probably more often than these listing tours, so I think it's in your interest to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go see if I have some stale bread in my truck to feed these ducks with. Thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next one real soon.